1968 Mercury Montego MX convertible here at Unique Specialty Classics. 302 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. Grille, headlight, surrounds. Paint code on this car, X for dark blue metallic. Interior is 6B for blue vinyl. Now, as far as paint on the exterior of this car, it does show its age some. It's one of those. It's like drive it the way it is, enjoy it, top down, roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows are just for fun, or maybe you want to take it to the next level. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description, and that's going to take you right to our website. You'll be able to see all the still pics there. As you can see, it's riding on American Racing Chrome 5-spoke wheels. Take a peek down this passenger side. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Blue vinyl interior bench seat. There is some wear over on the driver's side. And we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. Let you hear it run. We'll put the top up towards the end of the video. Check out the condition of that. You can see parade boot is intact, but does show some wear also. Just want to show you the display of that on there so you know what you're dealing with. Chrome in the rear bumper, dual exhaust. We're going to take a look at the engine bay, let you hear it run. And again, all those still pictures, unique classic cars you'll be able to see in the trunk, undersides, interior, engine bay. Let's take a look down this driver's side. It's one of those cars you can get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Like I said earlier, have some fun, drive it the way it is. Maybe you want to tinker with it, work on it, bring it to the next level. And you don't see a ton of these out there either, which is kind of cool. Door panels. You'll be able to see the interior and all the still pictures too, and we'll have still pics with the top up, top down. Let's fire this one up. It does have an aftermarket radio AM FM cassette. Is that 302? Little rumble coming out of that V8. Montego MX badging on it. That is correct. It is a 76D, I believe it was. Body style on it. You'll be able to see the door tag in with the still pictures, do any of the decoding that you'd like to. I'm going to pause this, get this hood open, check out the engine bay. Good look at the underside of the hood, the hood liner. There it is, 302 V8 power. And again, power steering. Pretty stock looking engine bay. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second, get the tripod set up, check out this convertible top. And power top up, as you can see, works as it should. So we got white vinyl, nice tight fit above the windshield. I've rolled up the side glass too, so we can see how that fits. So power top works as it should. I think if you need it to keep you out of the rain or out of the sun, this top's going to serve its purpose just fine. And like I mentioned earlier, affordable rag top you can have. A little fun in the classic car hobby. Looks good. All right, tell you what, I'll show you going back down. 1968 Mercury Montego MX. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. First, a quick show you how this top goes down.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1968 Mercury Montego convertible. I don't think I've ever seen a convertible one. We do have the top down on today on this sunny, warm day. Our turn signal indicators both work on this car. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive. There's a little exhaust leak in the front. Exhaust note coming out the back sounds great. The steering wheel is canted a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance. The factory horn is working. The blower motor works on this car. The wipers also work. Our fuel gauge is reading a half of a tank. The speedometer appears to be working. This car is clock equipped. Now it is not ticking, but it is clock equipped. And the rest would be warning lights. We have a stereo in the dash that does work. The seats are quite nice, blue vinyl bench. Brakes do pull a little to the right upon heavy braking. This car corners nicely. Corners the way you would expect for a 68 Mercury. There's that rumble coming out the tailpipe. It is a fun car to drive, and who doesn't love a convertible? Take a look at all the pictures of this Mercury Montego at uniqueclassiccars.com.